Hi, I'm Ron Ogden. Today, how to use a grenade launcher attachment in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Come with me as I show you how to use the Noob Tube. The grenade launcher, or as we like to call it, the Noob Tube, is only available on an assault rifle. If you're going to utilize the Noob Tube, we also recommend using the Sleight of Hand perk and the Thumper secondary weapon. Grenades can be used for a variety of kills. Behind barriers, behind windows, they can be used to damage vehicles and perks, and can even be used to destroy cars and compressors. Note that if you fire a grenade too close, the grenade itself will not detonate until it's traveled a certain distance.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Good job, noob. You destroyed that guy with a grenade. That was real hard. I'm Ron Ogden. I'll see you next time.